What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you this Viozon ergonomic projector stand. In full disclosure, they did give me this to do this video. Let's open it up and check it out. Here's what to expect straight out of the box. Here is the ball joint mount. You can tell it's heavy duty material. And then the super heavy duty base, holy smokes. That's it for the box. So I've got everything laid out here. Here is everything included. First of all, we have this product brochure. This is actually other products that Viozon offers. And then we have the user manual, which includes all the instructions on how to assemble this. It is really straightforward. There's no tools needed, fortunately. You just follow these instructions. So you have them here. Then we have a little join our community card. And then here are all the parts. Now, I must tell you, this is super heavy duty material, premium aluminum alloy. The base is crazy heavy, which will make it super stable, but you can see the top here is actually tempered glass. And you can kind of tell just the way I'm holding it of like how heavy duty this is. One thing to be aware of is the height of this projector stand is 88 centimeters, so it's actually not adjustable. It's also 34.65 inches high. So just plan accordingly for that. It does come with this magnetic tray for storage, for like a remote, for a phone, for any accessories you have for your projector. And then here's that 360-degree rotating ball joint mount. And this part right here, if you hold it here, this twists on and that's how you tighten it to a projector. It does have this divot here so you can bring it a full 90 degrees and then tighten this and it locks it in place. Let's put this together. All right, it is all put together here. So I've got this like Sky Echo projector here. It does have that standard 1/4 inch mounting on the bottom. All we're gonna do is line that up and screw it in. Okay, there we go. Now we can set this up and project it against the wall. All right, we are all set up on our new projector stand. Even got the remote on the little stand there, projected on the wall, ready for fun. And one thing I wanna show you, look how easy this comes off. It is just magnetic. So it just places right on there and then you can put your remote or your phone. Really nice, easy way to store things there. And the tempered glass looks so good. I also wanna show you, as for this tipping over, there's just no way because that base is so heavy. So I'm really pleased with that. Hopefully this video helps show you a lot more what to expect with this Viozon projector stand. See you guys later.